Welcome back. The Mapusa CBI court has directed former Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar to face trial in a corruption case. Earlier, on the court's direction, Anti-Corruption Branch had registered FIR against Shobha Dhumaskar over the complaint for allegedly leasing out a government flat without issuing public advertisement. But ACB pleaded to the court to close the case as the amount has been recovered. The court has rejected plea of ACB to close the case.
The Mapusa CBI court on Saturday allowed the application filed by Advocate Iris Rodriguez opposing the move by Anti-Corruption Branch to close the corruption case that was filed against former Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar. ACB had refused to register FIR against Shobha Dhumaskar over the complaint filed by Advocate Iris Rodriguez. But the CBI court on Saturday directed Shobha Dhumaskar to face trial in alleged corruption case.
The Goa CBI court has today directed that former Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar should face trial on corruption charges. The Honorable CBI court today has rejected the request made by the Anti-Corruption Branch, which was trying to close the corruption case against Shobha Dhumaskar.
On 5th August 2011, Advocate Iris Rodriguez had filed a complaint with Anti-Corruption Branch alleging that a 76 square meters government flat at Panji was leased by then Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar without issuing a public advertisement, causing loss to the state exchequer. During the hearing, ACB pleaded to the court to close the case as the loss to the exchequer was only Rs 61,200 and that the amount was being recovered.
I strongly oppose the closure of the case because it was not in accordance with law. The Anti-Corruption Branch was trying to shield Shobha Dhumaskar.
Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Shamsundar Fateh for Prudent.
This is the story of how police succeeded in arresting chain-snatching gang. The investigation was carried out in a filmy style and the suspect was nabbed. The robbers are known to be from Maharashtra. Police are in search of the other two members of the gang. Here are the details.
A swift action of Panaji police resulted in an arrest of a key member of a chain-snatching gang. A victim lady on 4th September lodged a complaint with Panaji police that some unknown accused male person impersonated himself as a policeman and thereafter snatched a Mangalsutra and a gold chain, all worth 1.5 lakh rupees. During the course of investigation, Panaji police found the CCTV camera of a nearby showroom has grabbed the visuals of the accused. In the CCTV footage, accused can be seen parking their bikes. Investigating team noticed that they were using a rented bike for committing this crime. They questioned the owner of the bike and got the photo identity of the accused. On the basis of that photo, police succeeded to identify the mobile number used by one of the accused. Mobile location showed that the snatcher, namely Asadullah Jafri, was roaming in Kandulim, Kalangut area. Panaji police team on 5th September finally succeeded to nab Asadullah Jafri. Other two members of the gang are still absconding. Panaji police suspect their involvement in many other chain-snatching cases and police investigation is on. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.